What's up, everyone? My name is Devanshi. If you don't already know who I am, I will tell you in just a little bit. Today, on May 9th, 2020, Urja Danceworks is completing 4 years. 4 years of dancing, 4 years of events, of crazy choreographies, videos, YouTube, Instagram, all of that put together through the team that I am most thankful for, and the people who come down to the studio to practice their art and for the love of dance every single day. In 2016 जब मैंने ऊर्जा स्टार्ट करा था, the only idea was to provide a place so that people can feel safe and they can come practice and also grow. So I am pretty sure that a few of you have found that in Urja Danceworks throughout your time there, and doesn't matter if you were with us for 1 month or 1 year, you are a part of Urja's family. And I am beyond thankful for the team that I have received, the people that I have scouted. Itna mushkil se we found out the instructors that are a part of our team now, and these are amazing individuals doing amazing things. And pretty soon we're going international, so there's that, and we're going to be dropping details on that very, very soon. But until then, please take the time to join our instructors in wishing Urja a very happy 4th birthday. I am so glad that you're with us, and let's continue this journey.
Hey guys, I'm Amika. I'm part of Urja Academy. I'm learning belly dance from Binka ma'am. She's amazing teacher. Today, Urja Academy has completed its 4 years. So I want to wish them a very happy birthday. So happy birthday, Urja!
नमस्कार, माझं नाव प्रणित आहे आणि मला म्हणायचं आहे की यावर्षी संपूर्ण ऊर्जा परिवाराला आणि ऊर्जा डान्स वर्क्सला त्याच्या 4थ्या वर्धापन दिनाच्या हार्दिक हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. विच मीन्स दॅट दिस इज द 4th year. We are celebrating the 4th anniversary of Urja Dance Works, and I'm congratulating and feel happy to all of the members who have been there directly or indirectly. I have just joined Urja Dance Works. It's been 5 or 6 months, but seriously, I don't feel like I'm the latest or the youngest member in this group, because the age doesn't matter actually. The thing I would like to say, the Urja is the most suitable name for the studio, for the soul, I guess. It's not just a studio. Everybody has it, and those who have it know it. Feel it. And dance particularly is like very overwhelming for us, very spiritual for us, and cherry on the cake is like this perfect studio where you feel the first step you take in the studio, you feel the energy, you feel the vibe. And when I first came there, I knew that day only that something's gonna happen, something big is gonna happen. So thank you so much for everybody who has supported me, and hopefully I'll be able to support others. So thank you so much, and happy birthday, Urja.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Pritpal, a retired teacher and a senior citizen. I take this opportunity to congratulate Urja Dance Works on its 4th anniversary. When I joined this dance school few months back, I had no idea I could learn dancing, I could learn the sequence of steps, and I could feel so young and energetic. It improved my stamina, it has improved my memory, and it has instilled life in me. I am always looking forward to attending next day's dance class. God bless this team of young, lovely, energetic dance teachers. Love you all. Thank you.
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ ਮੈਂ ਗੁਰਵਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਵਰਕਿੰਗ ਐਜ਼ ਅ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਇੰਸਟ੍ਰਕਟਰ ਇਨ ਊਰਜਾ ਡਾਂਸ ਵਰਕਸ ਊਰਜਾ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ 2 ਸਾਲ ਹੋ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਨੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਊਰਜਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 4 ਸਾਲ ਪੂਰੇ ਹੋਣ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਊਰਜਾ ਦੇ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟਰ ਦਿਵਿਆਂਸ਼ੀ ਮਿਸ਼ਰਾ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਬਾਦ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਹਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਪੀਲ ਕਰਦਾ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਡਾਂਸ ਫਾਰਮ ਸਿੱਖਣ ਲਈ ਊਰਜਾ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜੋ ਤੇ ਫਿੱਟ ਰਹੋ
Happy birthday, Urja. Thank you for making me what I always wanted to be. Can't wait to be back.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Urja. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Urja.
Happy birthday.
हाय आई एम प्रियंका आई एम फ्रॉम ऊर्जा डांस वर्क मैं ऊर्जा डांस वर्क के साथ कनेक्टेड लास्ट 1 ईयर से हूँ और ऊर्जा डांस वर्क के साथ मेरी जो जर्नी रही है इंस्ट्रक्टर के साथ और जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं मेरे उनके साथ और जो और स्टूडेंट हैं उनके साथ काफ़ी अच्छी रही है काफ़ी फ़न रहा है और हमारा जो फंक्शंस होते थे गरबा नाइट वगैरह काफ़ी अच्छा फ़न से रहा हमारा कहीं पे भी हम जाना फंक्शन पार्टिसिपेटिंग करना काफ़ी अच्छा रहा है हमारी ग्रोथ काफ़ी ज़्यादा हुई है और आगे भी ऐसे बढ़ती रहेगी हमारी और आज ऊर्जा डांस वर्क का 4th बर्थडे है एंड हैप्पी बर्थडे ऊर्जा डांस वर्क मुझे आपके साथ काफ़ी अच्छा रहा मेरा काफ़ी अच्छी जर्नी रही आपके साथ थैंक यू बाय बाय
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी टू ऊर्जा डांस एकेडमी हम अपनी डांस क्लासेस को बहुत ज़्यादा मिस कर रहे हैं भगवान से यही प्रार्थना है कि अब जल्दी से लॉकडाउन ख़त्म हो और हम अपनी क्लासेज फिर से शुरू कर सकें हिप हिप हुर्रे बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर ऊर्जा डांस एकेडमी
Hello friends, I am Shashi Tyagi. I am a retired government officer. I congratulate Urja Dance Works on their 4th anniversary. You are such a huge inspiration to so many. You have an amazing team of teachers. Congratulations once again. God bless you all. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
मेरे यार तेरे फ्रेंड्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड तेरी एक्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली इकट्ठे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे हैप्पी बर्थडे आज पिजामा पकड़ के
Hi Urja family, happy 4th anniversary, and I wish there may be many more anniversaries to come. Keep dancing and keep leading others also to this beautiful meditation. Keep floating on the stage. It's lovely to see you all, and it's been a wonderful experience being with you for the time we got. For now, stay home and stay safe. Love you all. Bless you.
Altogether, we make a very good team, and I am grateful to be a part of Urja Dance Works, and Urja Dance Works is also grateful for having me. And thank you everyone for the support. And I know it's quarantine and we cannot go out and celebrate this thing, but it's okay. We can stay at our places and we can celebrate this thing. And thank you and love you.